Brainstorming is a great learning tool for students to generate ideas and freely express their thoughts. Support problem solving and develop thinking skills in the classroom with Canva's Brainstorming Templates. Let's get started. Assign a brainstorm activity to kickstart their critical and creative thinking. Search for simple brainstorm templates here. Idea books are great for individual brainstorming on a topic for a design project. Students can visually document their ideas with simple text areas or sticky notes. When you are ready to assign the brainstorm activity, select Assignment here. Want to host a class brainstorm session? With Canva, it's easy for students to collaborate in real time. Get started by creating a blank brainstorm. Scroll through Canva's library of templates and explore ways to guide student thinking. Here are some examples. Use a simple brainstorm to generate and then vote on favorite ideas. Guide student thinking with an affinity diagram by categorizing ideas. Use a brainwriting template to build on class ideas. Facilitate a SWOT analysis to plan or problem solve. Or engage students in the learning process with a KWL chart by encouraging reflection before, during, and after a lesson. Facilitating a class brainstorm session doesn't have to be complicated. Simply move your design to a class folder with edit permissions, like this. You can also share the link with edit permissions to your class page or LMS. Working efficiently in teams is an important skill students will need for school and beyond, like group brainstorming. Set up groups for success with ready-to-go brainstorming templates. Make a copy of your design like this. Then, share and type the group name to assign edit access. Students can plan group roles and responsibilities, plan project roadmaps, or reflect on projects with a team retrospective template. Facilitate brainstorming activities and student collaboration with ease in Canva.